Everybody, Jim King Piers out here in Paola. 6 King Piers. All the holes are ready. Except this one right here. 5 of the 6 are ready. Beautiful. And then little squares, look at all the dirt that's came out of those squares. Once the air hits it, it expands. Looks like a mountain of dirt right here out of them holes. We'll backfill the King Pier once we get our piering system installed complete. We'll backfill it with high strength concrete up to the top of the footing. This hole here is ready, and I got Macho Man working on a water line right there the homeowner asked us to help him with. And so that's about it. King Piers out here in Paola. Beautiful country, beautiful day. We'll see you tomorrow. KingPiers.com.